Upgrading a modem on Xfinity is a straightforward process. To begin, it is essential to ensure the new modem is compatible with Xfinity. This can be done by signing in to the Xfinity account and searching for the brand and model of the desired modem, which will yield a list of recommended modems. The necessary equipment for installation includes a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, a coaxial cable, and the new cable modem itself. Additionally, having the account number, username, and password readily available is crucial. The old modem should be disconnected from the power supply, as well as the old coaxial and Ethernet cables. The new modem can then be connected to the new coaxial and Ethernet cables and plugged into a power outlet using the power adapter. The next step involves downloading the Xfinity app, signing in to the account, and selecting the option to activate new equipment, following the on-screen instructions. Alternatively, Xfinity customer support can be contacted for assistance with activation. After activation, the password and network name can be set on the Xfinity router, and devices can be connected to the network. Finally, browsing the internet will confirm if the connection is successful. By following these steps, upgrading a modem on Xfinity can be easily accomplished.